Sir, can't hear anything.
Yeah, I have not started. 165 students submitted their photos, and still the students present here is 93 only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll not wait anymore. Can you hear me, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll be coming back to your photo. We'll be discussing on your submitted photo, and I'll be asking some questions. So whoever will be present should respond whenever I'll be asking that question. So I'll be showing some pictures. For example, obviously this is not the most outstanding picture what I have. Actually, I'm just showing you some examples of the pictures. What you may, when you are submitting that type of pictures, you should arrange. You should make. You should present like this. Okay. So if you wish to add your watermark, then what you can do, you can make your own signature. As you can see here, my signatures are placed on the photography outside of the photographs where the main image is there. My signatures are not there. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so that should be kept when you, I mean, if you could make these kind of signatures, then you can place it outside the main image, not on the main image. And when you are wish to copyright your image, then you should place it inside the image. I'll be showing that thing very soon. Okay, then this kind of pictures, look at this. Signatures are there inside the picture. Okay, and guiding line, the point of focus, the point of attention, golden rule, everything is placed over there. And point focus, that means which you wish to show the things is at pin focus. So that is very important. And outside the things are not in focus. So that is very important when you are presenting this kind of pictures. This is another pictures I took during my, I mean, my daughter was there in kids school, and that school at this picture I took.
Mar sir, your
Yes,
slides are not changing.
okay, I think it is paused. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. I hope so now it will work. Is it fine now? Is it moved to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
it
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I took this picture during the lockdown period in my own home. This is the, I mean, the picture was little bigger because I was not so close to the picture. And later on, I little bit cropped the picture such that the image will be at the point of attention. So, I mean, this kind of golden rule and all those things was discussed by your Dhiman sir. I hope you understood and you know that. Okay. This picture comes in the portrait photograph. Okay. This kind of picture will, I mean, uh, you cannot resist to love. I'm looking at this picture. So this is the beauty of this picture. They are not saying anything, but it is saying a lot of things. This is a simple landscape photograph, what you may, I mean, present. Okay. The colors, the lights, shades, all those things should be proper. You should not take the landscape photograph at the 12 o'clock or 2 p.m. It should be after 3:30 or before 9 a.m. Whenever you're taking this landscape photograph, then you'll be getting a better photograph. You'll be getting the playing of, I mean, lights, shades are playing over there. So this kind of, I mean, picture you can put. And this is simply another category, macro photography. And what I want to show that is that should be in back focus. It will be a pinpoint focus. If not, then obviously your micro photography will not work. I see someone's microphone is a little bit too noise. The last one I'll be showing today. So this is the another picture. This is a picture of an owl. Let's see. Okay, that's all from my side, and I'll be sharing the entire screen such that you can see your submission. The photo you submitted over there, I'll be showing that. Okay. Close it. Okay. I hope this one. Okay, the first photograph is by Promit Baru. Is Promit present today? Then I'll be moving to the next picture. Comes under nature photography as okay. So whose picture it is? Ashmit Bhattacharya. Are you present, Ashmit? And then Shomnath Shashmal. Are you present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shomnath, I'm coming back to your picture. Okay, Shomnath, in your picture, it is a very good picture, no doubt. You took the focus in the right place, where you, I mean, want to grab the attention. That is okay. But the fact is, whenever you taking some landscape photographs or photographs of any scenery or scenes, then you need to take some. I mean, you need to take care of some of the points, and one of the vital point is horizon. Okay, so your horizon is not properly placed. Your camera was a little bit tilted. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that kind of mistake should not be there. Okay, so otherwise the picture is good. I'm not telling you it is going to be select or not, but I'm telling you the general mistake what you did in your submitted copy. Okay. I mean,
Okay.
next time whenever you'll be, I mean, taking a snap, you should take care of before pressing down the, I mean, button. You should take care of these things. Next, I'll be coming to this one. It is a good one. Okay, nothing to say about this picture. But if you could add something, then it will be more attractive. Otherwise, it's just fine. Whose picture it is? It is Rahul Pradhan. Rahul Pradhan is present now. Let me move on to the next picture. Yes, whose it is? It is Orgopal. If that persons are not present, then I'll not be discussing on the pictures. Orgopal from EC. This one is by Sri Porna Bhattacharya. Electrical 22, roll number 22. Are you present now? Then I'll move into the next picture. Shoham Banerjee, CSC roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I tell you to judge your own picture, then what kind of thing should you, I mean, notice? Can you notice? Your picture is good, but the fact is the prime object at the center of the pictures, and you need, I mean, your eyes will not move on the entire canvas, and that is the mistake. Okay. If you could add something such that your attention may be grabbed some other places or in the another region of this picture, then it will be better. But it is absent in this picture. Otherwise, it is just a picture. Okay. Next one is Shudeep Kundu. Are you present? The nice picture. And then it is Ankon Ghosh from AIML. Are you present, Ankon? This is a nice picture. You have already seen this kind of picture earlier, and the object was not at the center, and that was the, I mean, composition you need to look after during this kind of pictures. Your main prime object should not be at the center. You need to add something on your picture such that it will be little attractive. Okay, it is a fine, I mean, pinpoint focus that everything is fine except the object was not placed at the point of attraction. Okay. So next I'll be moving to the next point, next one. It is Sharonna Bishwas. Represent Sharonna. CSC roll number 5, CSC Data Science. If you know, I'll go to the next one. Shayan Chakraborty. Debojyoti Bhattacharjee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you submitted this picture. It's just a nice picture. Nothing to say. Only one thing I can add, or I can find some dramatic things are there on the sky. You have not shown these things, and where nothing is there, you have shown a lot of areas. You know that very near to you, this region is called the foreground, and the things after this mid area of this image is called the background. So the drama is there in the background, but you have shown a lot of foreground where nothing is there. So this is the, I must say, this is the main flaws of this picture. Okay, got the point, Devajyoti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next I'll move into the another dramatic sky. Okay, this is fine. Horizon is at point, I think. The horizon is okay. The sky is fine. The only problem is even the skies and all places have so many lights available over there. But I don't know where, I mean, why in this picture so many grains are there. This is for Shanchari. So Shanchari, are you present? If no, then I should move to the next. Srinjoy Shen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Srinjoy. This is a nice picture, but the sky is really dramatic. If you can add something except this coconut tree and all those things, so many other things or a single tree can be added below this sky to make I mean, one more attractive. Otherwise, I mean, sky wise it is okay, but the object wise it is not properly chosen. So you have not followed the ACA rules: selection, elimination, and addition. So you have selected the things correctly, but not eliminated something, or you have not added something which could be more interesting. What the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This kind of picture, you know, that the sky is blown out. I can say the correct exposure was not taken, and the saturation, picture saturation was edited. I can say definitely it was edited. It was not a natural color what is showing. And main biggest mistake is the horizon. The horizon was not properly aligned. Okay, so this is the flaws I can find in this picture. And then Shandipon Sarkar. If not present, then I'll move to the next picture. Sandipon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shandipan, what do you want to, I mean, show in this picture? A single house inside a lot of trees, and the skies are also not in focus. So, according to you, what is the beauty of this picture? Right? What do you want to show other people through this picture? Okay, Shandipan, my suggestion is you watch, I mean, you look the other pictures, you carefully observe the other pictures such that you can add something in your own picture. Okay. Otherwise, you guys are just beginners, so I can understand you don't have a lot of knowledge on composition, but I'm pretty happy that so many people have given a very nice picture. Okay. So this is another picture by Shovik Dash. Shovik, are you present? Ayan Bishas. Next one is Ayan Bishas picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the mirroric. This is called mirroric image picture, and you already cut a little bit cut is there in this mirroric image. So fine. Uh, it could be more better if you little bit away from this, or if you could put down your little down on your mobile so that you can get a nice image. Probably you took this picture in the standing position. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you sit over there before taking the picture, then a different perspective may be added and the picture will be more attractive. Okay. So otherwise,
Okay.
fine. Some of the regions of these pictures are not attractive. It is not catchy, and that's why the overall image is not appealing. Next is Vishnu Sarkar. Vishnu Sarkar present. If not present, then it's fine. If present, then listen me. While you are, I mean, taking this kind of pictures, horizon should be properly aligned. I hope so it is aligned, but the picture is not in focus. So this is the main problem. And image was so much grainy images are there. I can understand it is the picture taken at the night time, but while you're taking the night photographs, while you are doing this night photography, then obviously you should have a device which is performing outstanding uh, at the low ISO situation. Otherwise, don't dare to take the pictures with the lowly performing device for night photography. Otherwise, it will be just another digital garbage. Okay, because so many grains will be there, and the final picture will not stand at all. And now this is called light trail, or it's called light paint picture. This picture is called light paint picture. But so many shakes are there in this picture. I know if to take this kind of pictures, you really require a tripod or a still place where you can set your camera at a steady condition. So I hope you have not taken this kind of precaution for taking this picture, and that's why the picture is little blurry. Even the static, I mean, objects are not properly static. Otherwise, if it could be a pinpoint focus of this static object and the train is at moving situation, then this picture may be more attractive. This is another low light photograph. Okay, so many grains are there, and that's why the picture is not standing at all. This is Anushka. Present. Tanmay Kumar. The noise is consistently coming from your side. Please look after, otherwise. Okay. Anushka is not there. So the next picture. This is Abhijit Bhunia. Am I right, Abhijit? Are you present? No? Yes, Abhijit, you took a very nice picture. But only thing I must say, your picture have a very low resolution. Even it is below 2 megapixel. I told you whenever you are giving this kind of macro photography, at least a 2 megapixel resolution is required. Okay, and while you are giving this 2 megapixel of resolution, your object should be at focus. Otherwise, the image will not be presentable on PPT during the presentation. Okay, so your picture is good, but not, having a very good resolution. Okay, I'll be moving to another nice picture. Okay, this is Dr. S.P. Shahana. Who is this?
So while trying to upload, it got evolved with my dad's drive file. I mean, I did not upload it from the drive, but I do not know. I renamed it properly as and when it was required.
Okay, I'm not going to that. I got this name, and that's why I'm a little bit astonished. Anyway, so this is a kind of, it's called story kind of picture. Some of the, seeds are already coming out from the mud, and already another is came out, and another is already raised their heads. This is a very nice picture, and it is also at focus. So nothing to say. It is a good picture. Okay. Next one is Ayon Shamanta. Yes. Are you there? Oyan? Then Arijit Mishra. Arijit Mishra. It is a very nice picture, and a major mistake is there in this picture. Otherwise, it could be a very nice, attractive picture. Only one thing, he was not able to take this picture with the correct exposure. Okay, we need to reduce the light. Then this picture may be very attractive picture. Okay, and due to the this is called the overexposed picture, and the total information is nearly gone. Otherwise, it could be a very attractive picture under this category. This one again, low resolution over macro photographs. Nice, nothing to say. But if you can take the entire flower, then it could be more better. Okay. Yes, I mean, so close. And in this picture, I think a very broad white canvas is added. So no picture with the canvas will be accepted. Okay, so adding canvas is not accepted. So you need not to add any canvas on your picture. The picture is good. Little grainy. If I little bit zoom, then it is grainy because of the low resolution picture. This one is for Shubham Mandal. The man was struggling with the photos for the entire day. Am I right, Shubham?
Yes, sir.
And finally, we could able to add. Okay, good picture. And then come to the Momita Chakraborty. Are you there, Momita?
Sir, my name is Ani Chakraborty. Mojammel Chakraborty got into it because I shared it with my mother's Gmail account somehow. This one was signed in.
Okay, fine, I answered. So no problem. I must say, if you, I mean, wish to, I mean, place this picture in macro category, then I must say you are too away. Okay, try to be close of the subject to get the macro photography. Otherwise, it will not stand at all. Okay, and this image, it is a fantastic image. The only thing is, it is very thin, and the area. I mean, I don't know in which kind of device this picture was taken. The picture was little, I mean, it is focused a little behind. And another thing is the picture dimension. No, this is a very odd dimension. Can you see? While you will represent the photo in any photography exhibition or anywhere, there is some specific aspect ratio of the photo, like 2:3, 1:1, and then 16:9. This kind of ratios are allowed, but it is not belongs in this category. Okay, it is 3:1 anyway. And then Deepayan Chatterjee. Are you there, Deepayan? If no, then the next picture. Okay. Suchishmita Ghosh. Not present, I hope. And Shomujit Maji.
Yes, sir. Yes, Suchishmita Ghosh.
Okay. You took this picture, your camera lens was very close to the object. And what is the object it is this type, I mean, information is lost because of you're so close to the object. Okay, so if you could take this, I mean, outline of this flower and then inside this, it is there, then it will be more, I mean, interesting. It is my opinion. Okay, otherwise, this outline of these flowers, if you could, I mean, make a little drama with the lights, then it could be a more better thing. Okay, but I think it's with the ambient line, the total image was visible, so there is no option for playing with light, and that's why it is not so appealing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, will be coming to the next picture. Okay, is this when Shomojit is present? Shomojit Majid? Okay, if not present, even I will be discussing on that, because in this picture, generally this kind of picture, I mean, whenever I mean, anyone takes this kind of picture, they're not properly looked after so many things. In your camera, you are not looking on that white balance. This is very important when you are taking the pictures of this kind of sunset or sunrise. It is the case of sunset, because this picture I can, I mean, blindly tell you, you took this picture right from the Prince card. Okay, so I'll be showing you how the picture look like in that scenario. Okay, so that is the picture it took, and I have just made a white balance. Can you see the difference? Picture over here is blown out. It is look like a daylight picture, and this kind of picture is, yes, the white balance is a little bit adjusted over there, such that it looks like it is sunset time. And major mistake was the horizon. It was not a line. Later on, I little bit line, and the image is turning out like this. Okay, look at this. I'm just not taking the entire image, but the image, how much you need to take on your canvas. This is it. Okay, can you see the difference? Okay, let me go back to this image again. It is Aniket Datta. Aniket Datta, are you present? In this picture, especially the HDR can make all the changes, but he was not used HDR in his picture, and that's why the darks are becomes very dark and the brights are so bright. Okay, so the informations are lost because of HDR. And this picture could be a very attractive if there is a swan or something like that. Any, I mean, duck or swan is, I mean, swimming over there. It could be add, and it goes over there and makes a trail. Then this picture can be outstanding picture. But it is now just a picture. No, I mean, attention grabbing objects are not there in this picture. Otherwise, the situations are ready to grab your attention. Only the correct attention grabbing object was not added in this picture. Okay, I'm not asking the names because most of the times they are not responding. I can see they are already there in the participants list but not responding. Okay, so it is the another Tomatino type picture. Okay, focused. It was focused. I mean, it is focused on a particular, I mean, not flower. I don't know why. Okay, very ordinary picture. Nothing to say. Yes, this one is very interesting one. If this picture could taken from a little height, such that the I mean end of this river was could be seen, then it will be more attractive. However, this one is still very good. Yes, I made this. I made this change. Look at this picture. So many areas are there, but very little stories are added in this picture. But this is good enough to grab your attention, and that's why I downloaded this picture and a little bit. I mean, edited on this picture, and I'll be showing. Look at this picture, and then I'll be showing the edited picture. What I have already edited to show you. Okay. This one is the picture. I don't know where I left. I'm just telling you. Yes. If you can, if you can show only this much of your image, then it is very attractive. Look at this. We need not to, I mean, show all the pictures. They show only the region where it is very attractive. Okay. This picture demands that it was taken in mobile, but I'm telling you, if it is really taken in mobile, it is extremely, I mean, extremely difficult job, because grabbing this image with mobile is next to impossible. Good one.
Yes, sir.
Is it you, Shushmita Kumari Mahato? Is it your picture, Shushmita?
Yes, sir. This one.
Okay. Fine. It's just a nice picture. Okay. There is another hide and seek with the clouds. But if you could reduce the exposure, then the sunrise spikes will be more prominent. So since there's so many lights are loud, so finally that spikes are gone. It is totally overlapped by the ambient lights. Ripples, I think in this picture, the ripples, whoever posted this picture is trying to grab the attention because of the ripples. Nice one. Category photography. Yes. Object is in focus, no doubt it is very good focusing is there. But overall, if you want to only show this much, then what is the rest of it? Why are you showing the rest of it? So this is not clear. Who is this? Disha, fine. Sorry. Okay. It is Suchorita. Present today. Disha Raha. Maybe freeze the size and extrude. Again, a misbalanced of the HDR, and that's why the dark areas are totally gone. And I think he was trying to grab the attention for the sky colors, and that's why the pictures was captured, I think. But correct white balance was not chosen. That's why the sky colors are not becomes happy. Nice one. Only the problem is the horizon, otherwise it's okay. Okay. I don't know. It's little difficult to predict uh, what kind of picture it is. Is it a reflection on the water, or it is taken from a hill station? Whose picture it is? Piyali Ghosh from CSE.
Yes, sir.
Is it taken from the hill station? Any
No, sir. It is taken from a terrace.
at the bottom region? Is it a water?
No, sir. Those are trees.
The dramatic sky. Actually, the perspective of the pictures are not so clear. That's why there is, I mean, total loss of information of horizon, and that's why the picture is a little bit ambiguous. Anyway, fine, good looking. This is a low resolution picture, and it is so small. I mean, so low resolution that I cannot. I'm not just able to zoom on this picture, so I'll not comment. Next one. Yes. Okay. Good looking pictures. This is taken from the overbridge. Fine, it's just a picture. Nothing to say about this. Kind of silhouette picture. That's fine. But aspect ratio of the picture is not. This one, look at this. In this picture, the object is at the, I mean, the ground and the foreground is large. So my question is, why are you using so many blurry regions on your picture where the attention grabbing objects are not there? Okay. Probably to show it is the wall. Okay. Fine. The focus, everything is fine. I don't know. This picture belongs in what category? Food, portraiture. When so many delicious food is there in front of us, obviously the expression will be something interesting, which is not there in this picture. So while you're taking these pictures, portraitures, then obviously the feelings, the emotions, the excitations should be there in their faces based on your situations. So this is absent in my opinion. So this is absent in this picture. Fantastic. I must say it is a fantastic picture. I don't know, mistaken, but it is why it is edited. I said not to edit the picture. Whose picture it is? Priyal. Am I right? Priyal Banerjee.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have given a highly edited pictures. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Picture object is okay, but this edited picture will be accepted or not, I don't know. Okay, I told you, no wedding photographs are accepted. So, sorry. In this picture also, actually, this kind of pictures are people capturing today because their mobile screen aspect ratios are little. I mean, this kind of 3:1 kind of ratios are using there, and they are taking the full screen pictures over there to see on their mobile itself. But while you are presenting or you are giving this picture in some places or some competition, presentable places, then you should remember the picture should be either in 3:2 ratio or 16:9 ratio. That means with the acceptable ratio. In this picture, you look at this. More than 50% of the area is, I mean, destructing. This image is destructed by this front object kept over. Can you see? Marks are there, I think. The attention grabbing things are there, but which is far reaching. I must say, while grabbing this picture, focus on your composition. Okay, this picture it is. Mangaldeep Mondal. Are you there? Mangaldeep? Mighty. I hope this picture was taken from train or some probably from the train. Situation. But this area is, I mean, in this area, if you can go over there, then you have a lot of options to take the picture. Generally, this kind of, I mean, interesting objects are not available very near to the Kolkata, but you missed lots of things only taking the picture from the far. Okay. Fine. Must say, fine picture, nice picture. And only eyes are there. Yes. Okay. It's a okay type picture for me. Another okay type picture. I don't know what kind of message is getting by this picture. Whose picture it is?
Sir, my picture.
Srijan.
Yes, sir.
তো এই সৃজন তোমার এই ছবিতে তুমি যে কি যে সৃজন করতে চাইছো আমার কাছে পরিষ্কার নয়, একটু বলবে?
এটা স্যার একটা স্ট্রিট ফটোগ্রাফি, রামাকান্ত মিস্ট্রি লেনের থেকে তোলা। তো একটা ওখানে ওই বিজি কলকাতার মানুষের তার কাজ হয়ে যাওয়ার পর তার লেজার টাইমটা ছিল, তো সেই সময় বসে লেজার টাইমটা কাটাচ্ছিল।
সেটা কিন্তু পিকচারে মনে হচ্ছে না, ঠিক আছে? দরজাটাকে টেনে ধরে রাখছে তো সেই জন্য জিনিসটার কোনো রকম মিনিং
না, ওটা জাস্ট হাত দিয়ে আছে এরকম।
সে বুঝেছি, বাট ছবিতে তো দরজা লোকে টানতেই দিচ্ছে না, এছাড়া তো কিছু বুঝবে না। তুমি যেটা দেখাবে সেটার উপরেই লোকে বেস করে চিন্তা ভাবনা করবে। ওকে, চেষ্টা করেছো, ইট ইজ গুড। এই ছবিটাতে আমার কিছু বলার নেই, কিছু মানে অ্যাটেনশন গ্র্যাব করার মতো কিছু দেখছি না। Yes, I was little interested to look at this picture. এখানে একটাই বলবো, তোমরা অ্যাসপেক্ট রেশিও সম্পর্কে সজাগ থাকবে, কিন্তু প্রত্যেকবার যেটা হচ্ছে most of the times I can see that students are not taking the object in proper place, and that's why they have a lot of area in their images, but most of the areas are not interesting at all. Yes, people are, I mean, look at this at the bottom, so many people are looking at that I mean toys, but you can focus over there a bit. You can show this picture a bit, but you have showed so many blank sky over there, which is pretty uninteresting. Overall, still this image is very nice for me. Okay, I will move a little faster so that I can finish at least your pictures of your first choice. Okay, another landscape. Nothing to say. Okay, interesting one. Towns at the hills. Okay, this one is interesting, but your watermarks are not supposed to be there. Okay, I told you, in that cases you will add up your watermarks on some other places where your main attractions are not going. Okay, otherwise fine. So okay type picture. Exposure properly not balanced. I must say exposure is not properly balanced. But it's a fine picture, nice picture. Who is this? Shoham Mondopadhyay. Are you there, Shoham? Shoham, are you there? Because I have a lot of questions. Picture. Okay, let me choose some pictures. Not all. So many pictures is let me discuss. Let me discuss on it. Okay, this picture is not comes under the nature photography because I think it is this picture is taken inside the zoo. So this kind of picture will not be accepted as a nature photographs that I want to say. Okay, let me see this image. Okay, it is just a bouquet picture because all the things in focus. So where should I focus? I am totally defocused on that. Okay. It's a very nice, colorful picture, but it's cropped or probably not took properly. Otherwise, fine. That is also a good one. Yes, the focus and everything is adjusted to the proper at point. So I must it is a very good picture. Yes, it is the after effect of Hiroshima like picture. Good one. also good. Okay, Rahul Dash, you have uploaded your own picture in both choice 1 and choice 2 category. So I understood only one thing. Rahul Dash only loves Rahul Dash, and that's all. Another horizon mistake photograph. Point to road. Noisy sky. Picture. Being. Yes, I was quite interested in that picture. I mean, how one can take this kind of picture and the horizon will be look like that. The horizon, I mean, how the horizon could be, I mean, bent like this. Then I little bit did my research, you know that. It will be, I'm not taking the name of this student, but I did a research on it. Then I found a very astonishing result. I'm not showing. This picture was taken in 2020 by some people, and they have already showed this. I mean, presented this picture on their on his own Facebook, and this picture clearly demonstrated that it is displayed on a big screen, probably on television, 4K television, and then in taking in front of a sailboat, paper sailboat. This picture was retaken. I I can guess because this picture is taken by definitely not by him. It was taken by someone else. But the way he have used that picture to edit is little interesting. But don't claim that is your picture. Okay, Anita Sinha, don't claim that is your picture. Okay, another okay type macro. It's red giant ant. Another okay type macro. Yes, this one is little interesting. So I don't know why we have not taken the road, but the interesting point was on road. Okay, so missed the picture because of his choice or her choice because it is Aditi Chaudhary. Okay, this one is looking good, apparently looking good. Yes. Interesting one, but the horizon mistake is there in this picture. Okay, I'm not so fan of these cats, so it's personal choice. Good one.
Sir, taken by me, sir, this one.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Good picture. But why you? I mean, not taken their legs. It could be more interesting. You can take
Somehow it has been cropped while editing that border one.
Then do not crop the main area.
Okay, sir.
Again, this kind of picture. Look at this. Is it a picture on the top and bottom? So many dark shadows are there. What is this? This picture is definitely, I can say, it is the screenshot of something. So don't post this kind of pictures. Okay, let me see another picture. Yes, yeah, horizon is a little bit not adjusted. Otherwise, uh, except sky, nothing is in focus, but still looking good. Nice picture. Yes, the leaves. I mean, in this picture, you know that if you can add some HDR in this picture, the leafy info, I mean, information of the leaves will be looking like a, I mean, it's just like a feather of the birds, but it is not added over there. That's why the leaves are become so dark that it is, I mean, nearly informations are lost over there. Otherwise, the picture, the idea was brilliant. I must say, it was a brilliant idea to take the pictures, but could not make it happen. You know. Okay. This one. Let me see this. Yes. Okay. Just open a picture for me. It will be interesting to you. I think this picture was taken at Victoria Memorial. On the left hand side, there is a pond, and it is the picture of that. It's not one type like subject. I mean, in stock photograph, so many people can take this kind of pictures. So for me, it is just another. Yes, composition wise, another good one. I must say, it's fantastic one. It comes under the frames. Right, but no. I mean, in this picture is interesting one, but I mean, the camera could not handle the ISO situation, and that's why the picture becomes grainy and becomes the entire picture. I mean, quite dull, not so sharp. Otherwise, this picture could be a very interesting one. Okay, this picture I downloaded from this person, and then I edited. So I'll be keeping this picture on my left. Okay, first let me wire it. Let me put it down, and then I'll be opening the pictures, and I have edited this picture, so I'll show this maps as I said. Okay, after editing this picture, it is on right hand side, and the picture, okay, picture is just downloaded, and I'm just showing this picture again. Side by side, be showing these two pictures such that you can demarcate difference. Look at these two pictures. Can you see the difference? This one. Okay, in this picture, I must say the low light regions are really dark, and that's why the image is not standing. So if you can add some, this is called micro contrast in this picture, then it will be more interesting. Okay, I'm just lost this one. I have already edited, but I think I already left this picture in my desktop in my home. So I cannot show you right now. Let me go back. I'm very near to the end of this. Okay, another interesting one. I found this picture is very interesting. Look at this. It's so fantastic picture. I must say it is a fantastic one. It was not properly framed, but itself still it is not too bad. Okay. Composition wise, it could be more interesting, but still it is fine. It's funny face of cats. Sky. Okay. That's all for your first uploaded picture, and it is still I have not seen this second choice of yours. So I'll be looking at this today, and I'll be what is it? It is edited category picture. I think it will be rejected. Anyway, I'll not be discussing anything for your second choice today. So let me finish today's discussion. I hope you learn a lot. Okay, thank you everybody. And those guys already submitted their pictures. Thank you for them. And those was just there in this group and not contributed anything. Again, thank you for them for being part of this photography club. Thank you everybody. See you soon.
Thank you, sir.
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 Thank you, sir.